Good morning children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So welcome to class 7 IIT Physics online class. Last class what we discussed children? We were discussing some sums on trigonometric identities. We already started concept 3 trigonometric identities, very important. Some important 8 trigonometric identities also we saw, and we also saw a easy trick to remember these trigonometric identity. What is that? Yes, that is magic hexagon. I explained that trigonometric identities with the help of magic hexagon, so that you by yourself you can easily write that trigonometric identities. Okay. Now in the last class we discussed some important sums on trigonometric identities, and I based on that also I gave you homework also. I hope you are doing that. Okay, doing the homeworks. Once again I want to tell you children, you must try the sums. If you will try the sums, then only you will get the doubts, and if you will get the doubts, when you will see my class again, the doubts will be clarified. Okay, so doing the sum is very important. Without doing you can't get it. So what questions I gave in the last class, we will discuss first that questions. Okay, then we will go for other questions. So the first question we given 9 sec square a minus 9 10 square a. Okay, this is a question. 9 sec square a minus 9 10 square a. You can see both the terms something is common. What is common? Yes, common. Common means what? Similar thing. Is it? So what is similar in both? Similar is 9. Both contains 9. So that 9 we can take common. Take 9 common. What is left? Sec square a in the first term minus 10 square a in the second term. Is it? Take 9 common, sec square a minus 10 square a. Is it? Now children, one important trigonometric identity I explained you, that is 1 plus 10 square a, 1 plus 10 square a is equal to sec square a. Is it or not? 1 plus 10 square a is equal to sec square a. Now if we will shift 10 square a that side, what becomes? Here what is left? Only left. Here sec square a plus 10 square a, that side if it will go minus 10 square a. Okay, so what we got? Sec square a minus 10 square a is equal to 1. So now you see, once under the bracket you see sec square a minus 10 square is equal to 1. Is it or not? One value we will write here. 9 into 1, that is 9. Your answer is 9. Very simple sum. Okay, so here you can see, if the trigonometric identity is in your mind, you can do the sums very easily. If you forget, you don't know the trigonometric identities, you can't do the sums. So remembering the trigonometric identities are very important. We'll go for second question. So see children, the second question you can see, first term is under bracket 1 plus 10 theta plus sec theta, and second term under bracket is 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Between the both the bracket there is nothing. Between the bracket if there is nothing means there is a multiplication sign. Remember this one. Between two brackets if there is nothing means there is a multiplication sign. Now what we had to do, we had to simplify this. 10 theta, 1 plus 10 theta. 10 theta is equal to what? 10 theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. 10 theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Plus sec theta is equal to what? Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Nothing in between brackets, multiplication. Now 1 plus cot theta. Cot theta means what? Tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal of each other. If tan theta sin theta by cos theta, cot theta will be cos theta by sin theta. Cot theta cos theta by sin theta minus again cosec theta. Cosec theta is what? Cosec theta and sin theta are reciprocal of each other. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Okay, now we have to take LCM. Here 1 by 1. 1 cos theta cos theta. So LCM is cos theta. Cos theta by 1, cos theta into 1 cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta 1 into sin theta plus cos theta by cos theta 1 into 1. Here also 1 means 1 by 1, LCM of 1 sin theta and sin theta. Sin theta by 1 sin theta into 1 sin theta. See children, the simple fractional addition subtraction how we are doing. Same thing, LCM of denominators. Then write the LCM of 1 sin theta. LCM of 5 and 1 is what? 5 only. Like that one is sin theta. Now sin theta by 1 sin theta into 1 sin theta. Sin theta by sin theta 1 into cos theta minus sin theta by sin theta 1 into 1. Okay. Now once see the numerators, cos theta plus sin theta plus 1, cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. So cos theta plus sin theta one term you take. Here also cos theta plus sin theta one term you take. Consider is suppose A. Cos theta, let cos theta plus sin theta is equal to A. Cos theta plus sin theta A, cos theta plus sin theta A. So what it becomes? A plus 1, A minus 1. So we have A plus 1 into A minus 1 equal to A square minus B square, A square minus 1 square. Is it? A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. A plus 1 into A minus 1 is equal to A square minus 1. So what I can write here? A square minus 1. What is A? A square minus 1 by denominator cos theta into sin theta. Cos theta into sin theta. A square means sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Now see children, I'll erase the first question. I hope you have written first one. See, A plus B whole square is how much? A square plus B square plus 2AB, 2 into sin theta into cos theta. Minus 1 is there. By denominator is cos theta into sin theta. Now, we know that sin square theta plus cos theta is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This identity we did already. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So place of sin square theta plus cos square theta I can write 1 plus 2 into sin theta into cos theta minus 1 whole by cos theta into sin theta. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. What is left? 2 into sin theta into cos theta by sin cos theta into sin theta. Cancel. Cos theta, sin theta. Answer is 2. Answer of this question is 2. So you see children, here at every step we need to remember some identities, some formula. Here see we used identity. Is it now? Here we used identity. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Here reciprocal identities, sec by is equal to 1 by cos and cosec equal to 1 by sin. Then here we used formula a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Here also we use trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So now I think you are clear that if you don't know the formula, you don't know the trigonometric identities, doing the sums are very difficult. You have to always go through the formulas, identities. Clear? So please write down. This is our second question, starts from here. This is our first part. After completing this is the second part. Okay? After completing this, you come here. So see children, the third question, what is third question? Sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. Again, there is nothing between the brackets, means multiplication. This is one term, sec a plus tan a. This is another term, 1 minus sin a. Okay, we have to evaluate this. Sec a means 1 by cos a plus tan a, tan theta, sin theta by cos theta, sin a by cos a into 1 minus sin a. Okay, now here what we will do, think it. We have to take LCM, cos a, LCM of 5 and 5, LCM of cos a and cos a, cos a by cos a 1 into 1 plus cos a by cos a 1 into sin a into 1 minus sin a. Now you see this 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. Already read here formula, a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a equal to 1 minus sin square a. Actually it is 1 square minus sin square a, but 1 square is 1 only, is it? No, 1 square is 1 minus sin square a. So in numerator we can write 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a is equal to what we can write? 1 minus sin square a by cos a. Now once again, trigonometric identity, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Then cos square a is equal to what? 1 minus sin square a. Is it? Cos square equal to 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a place I can write cos square a. So cos square a means cos a into cos a by cos a. 1 cos a, 1 cos a cancel. What is left? Answer is cos a. Your answer is cos a. Clear children? So you can see in every question, step to step, we need to remember trigonometric identity. Everywhere trigonometric identity formula is very important, we have to use. So you have to remember this. This is for that question. You'll erase this. Okay, 1 plus tan square a. Write down this question first. Third one. This side part also important to write. These are the explanation. How can we use directly this place, this one? So reason is this. How can we use 1 minus sin square a plus cos square a? The reason is this one. This one is important to write. Side. Explanation. Reason. Clear? Over? Children, I want to tell you, suppose you are not completed, you pause the video. Okay, pause the video and write down first. After writing only, you again start the video, continue seeing. Don't keep it pending. That time only you pause the video and write down. After writing, again continue the video. One plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is the fourth question. 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. So 1 plus tan square A, tan theta, sin theta by cos theta, tan square A, sin square A by cos square A, sin square A by cos square A. Same thing in denominator also. 1 plus cot square A, cot means cos theta by sin theta, cot square A means cos square A by sin square A. What to do? LCM. Okay, LCM of 1 and cos square A, cos square A. Cos square A by 1, cos square A. Cos square into 1, cos square A. Plus sin square A. How? Cos square A by cos square A 1 into sin square A, sin square A. Whole divided by, say if you know the fractional addition subtraction, easy for you to calculate this fraction addition subtraction. If you don't know, first you go for learning the fractional addition subtraction how to do. Now LCM of 1 and sin square A, sin square A. Sin square A by 1, sin square A, sin square into 1, sin square A. Plus sin square A by sin square A 1 into cos square A, cos square A. Now once again see children, we will use the identity cos square A plus sin square A as 1 by cos square A whole divided by sin square A plus cos square A 1 by sin square A. So 1 by cos square A. Fractional division here in place of division into reciprocal sin square A by 1. So that is sin theta by sin A, not theta, A, sin A by cos A whole square, because this is square. So sin A by cos A, tan A whole square, that is tan square A is your answer of fourth question. I hope you are understanding this. Once again I will tell you, seeing 1 time, 2 time, 3 time is not at all enough. At least 4-5 times you have to see the video. When you will see the video, listen it, okay, in silence, then only you can understand it. And you have to practice it at least 3-4 times. You have to practice it. Write on this fourth one. So children, today we will start today's class. Today's class also will do some sums, some important sums we will do now. You can see the question is prove the following identities. You have to prove the given identities. First one is this: cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, you have to prove this one. What we'll do, we'll take LHS, left hand side solution. We have to consider LHS left hand side and we have to solve it and check that RHS you are getting or not. So see cosec theta, what is LHS? Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. Is it no children? Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta minus cot theta equal to what? Cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta whole square. Okay, now what we'll do? LCM, sin and sin, LCM sin. Okay, sin by sin 1 into 1 minus sin by sin 1 into cos theta whole square. So 1 minus cos theta whole square by denominator is sin square theta. Okay, so in numerator 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then sin square theta is equal to what? 1 minus cos square theta. Yes or no, children? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 is an important trigonometric identity. From this we will get the value for sin square theta is equal to what? 1 minus cos square theta. So in place of sin square theta, I will write 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos theta whole square means 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Whole divided by 1 minus cos square theta means a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So what will be its value? 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So you see 1 minus cos theta cancel. What is left? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Once you see the RHS, 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We got the RHS. So it is proved. Okay, write down. So see children, the second question you can see on the board, cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a equal to 2 sec a you have to prove. So we'll take LHS left hand side, cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a. So what to do next step? Sure, LCM of denominators. So here you can't take direct LCM, so what you will do? Their product only their LCM. So cos a into 1 plus sin a. Product of these two is their LCM. Now LCM by denominator. This by this. What? Both will be cancelled. What is left? Cos a. Cos a into cos a, cos square a. Plus this by this. Okay, LCM by this denominator. Then both will be cancelled. What will left? 1 plus sin a. 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a whole square. Now simplify cos square a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square 1, 1 square 1 plus b square sin a whole square sin square a plus 2 into a into b, 2 into 1 into sin a, 2 sin a whole divided by cos a into 1 plus sin a. Children, see, cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. Okay, 1 plus already 1 is there plus 2 into sin a by cos a into 1 plus sin a. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 sin a. You can see 2 plus 2 sin a, 2 take common. 2 take common, what is left? 1 plus sin a by cos a into 1 plus sin a. Then 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a cancel. What is left? 2 by cos a means 2 into 1 by cos a. 1 by cos a means sec a. So 2 sec a. Your RHS is 2 sec A. Got the RHS? Proved. So children, today what we discussed some important sums on trigonometric identities. So here we completed trigonometry chapter. Okay, in the trigonometry we read three concepts. Three concepts we completed in trigonometry with the exercise sums. And again I will tell you, very important chapter, very important concepts. You are going on practice it, going on read the identities, formulas, then you can do it perfectly. This is for today. Next class we will start next chapter. Thanks for watching.